Ever wonder about the role of butterflies in our ecosystem? These vibrant insects are vital pollinators, helping plants to reproduce. They're also a key food source for many species. Their presence signals a thriving environment. As you see, butterflies are more than just beautiful creatures. Creating a butterfly-friendly garden isn't as complex as you might think. It all starts with a sunny location, as butterflies are cold-blooded and need the sun to warm their wings. Next, consider adding a variety of native plants. These will not only add beauty to your garden, but also provide nectar and host plants for butterflies. Finally, don't forget to add flat stones or benches for butterflies to rest. Remember, a diverse garden attracts a diverse butterfly population. Now, let's talk about feeding these beautiful creatures. The key to a butterfly-friendly garden is nectar-rich flowers. This sweet substance is like a magnet for butterflies, drawing them into your garden. But it's not enough to just have a few blooming plants. To keep butterflies visiting all season long, you'll need a variety of flowers that bloom continuously, ensuring there's always a fresh supply of nectar. And don't forget, butterflies need water too. A shallow dish or a puddle will do the trick. But what about the future generations of butterflies? For them, we need to provide host plants. These are where butterflies lay their eggs and caterpillars feed. Common host plants include milkweed for monarch butterflies. So, a butterfly-friendly garden caters for both the adult butterflies and their young ones. And there you have it, your guide to creating a butterfly-friendly garden. Remember, it's all about considering the butterfly's life cycle, providing nectar-rich flowers for adults and foliage for caterpillars. Not only will this vibrant ecosystem boost your garden's aesthetics, but it will also play a crucial role in preserving these beautiful creatures. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.